Welcome to the training on creating a locate request. Click on the Create Job Ticket button at the top right corner. Then, for a standard locate request, click New Ticket. You will be taken to a map where you will need to find and outline your dig site. Use the field above the map to search for the address, intersection, or business name where you will be working. Then select that location from the autocomplete dropdown. If your dig location does not appear in the dropdown, you can use the Locate By options to the right to perform an alternate search. The map will zoom into the location that you entered. By default, you will see a satellite photo of the site. There are several map views that you can select at the top right corner of the map, such as the call center map, which displays a simplified view with clearly labeled streets and parcels. We recommend using a combination of the call center map and satellite map to outline your site. Click the Drawing Tools button in the top left of the map to expand the list of tools. Radius excavation is used for defining an excavation area when planting trees, placing poles, or any other activity where a circle is best to define the excavation area. Select the center point of your excavation and enter a radius that you would need marked around that point. Then click the map at the center of your excavation to highlight the site. Route excavation is an excellent choice when trenching, installing or repairing sidewalks, or any other excavation where a narrow route needs to be defined. Enter a width for your excavation route and select the center line that you will be working along. Click the map at the start of your excavation area. You will start drawing a line from that point to your mouse cursor. You can click to place another anchor point if your route will turn, then double-click at the end of your excavation to close the route. Property excavation is used when excavating on a specific parcel of land to define an excavation area that covers a specific portion of or the entire lot. Click the property to highlight it, then select where you will be working in the pop-up. If you are working in or across the street or adjacent alley, make sure that you select those options. Use the Street Excavation tool if you will be working exclusively along a single street. Enter how wide of a width you will need marked, then click the street at the starting point and ending point of your excavation. The system will highlight the area between those points following along the street. Other should only be used when none of the above options are adequate to define an excavation area. Click the map at the corner of your site. You will then start drawing a line from there to your mouse. Click on each corner of the dig site, then back on the first point to close the polygon and highlight the area. When using the polygon tool, please keep the excavation polygon as small as possible, but yet large enough to cover the entire planned excavation area. You will then fill out the fields in the pop-up that appears. The locators mark based on the written instructions, so make sure that you provide driving directions from the nearest intersection to the site, and then tell how large of an area will need to be marked using directions and footages or clear landmark boundaries. You can use a combination of these tools to outline your dig sites, and the system will split the locations into multiple tickets as needed. After you outline your dig sites on the map, click Next. Verify the location information on each of your tickets listed as tabs at the top of the page. Fill out the job description information and start date and time on each ticket. Then click Next. You'll see an overview of the tickets you are creating. Click the Submit button in the top right corner to submit the tickets. On each ticket, you will either be given a ticket number and the list of notified utilities, or a message that the ticket was sent in to be reviewed by the call center. When your ticket is sent for review, we will send you an email shortly with either a ticket number or asking you to submit the ticket again with some corrections. From here, you can start additional tickets or return to your My Tickets page. Thank you for watching this training video. If you need assistance, you can click the live chat button located at the top right corner of the website or on the login page.